Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Dialogue. We are so happy you are here today. I'm Amber.
And I am Bruno. Thank you for spending your time with us.
If this is your first time here, welcome. If you listen every day, welcome back.
Before we begin, please like this episode. Subscribe to our channel. It helps us help you.
And it helps you learn English every day. Good job for showing up.
Today we talk about a very common problem. Many learners tell us this.
I understand English, but I cannot speak it well.
Maybe you feel this way. You listen to English, you read English.
But when you want to speak, nothing comes out.
Your mind feels empty.
If this sounds like you, relax. You are not alone.
This is normal. Many learners feel the same.
And the good news is this: you can improve.
Step by step, little by little.
Speaking English is a skill.
Like cooking.
Like driving a car.
You learn by doing.
Not only by watching.
Today we help you move from listening to speaking.
We speak slowly.
We repeat key words.
Listen first.
Then speak with us.
Then listen again.
You are ready. Let us start.
Bruno, why do many learners understand English but cannot speak?
That is a great question, Amber. One big reason is practice.
Many people listen a lot.
But they do not speak much.
Listening is passive.
Speaking is active.
When you speak, your brain works harder.
And that helps you learn faster.
Another big problem is fear.
Fear of mistakes.
Many learners think mistakes are bad.
But mistakes are good.
Mistakes help us learn.
If you never make mistakes, you never grow.
Exactly. Another problem is translating.
Translating in your head?
Yes, from your language to English.
That takes time.
And energy.
It makes speaking slow.
Good speakers do not translate.
They think in English.
This takes practice.
And patience.
Another reason is thinking speed.
If you think slowly, speaking is hard.
Your brain needs training.
Like a muscle.
You train muscles at the gym.
You train your brain by speaking.
Every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
Now, let's talk about starting.
Starting is the hardest part.
Yes, but we start small.
Very small.
First, accept fear.
It is okay to feel scared.
Do not wait for confidence.
Confidence comes later.
Speak first.
Confidence follows.
A good way to start is speaking alone.
Speak to yourself.
In front of a mirror.
It feels strange at first.
But it works.
Say simple sentences.
I am tired.
I am happy.
I am learning English.
Good job. Say it again.
I am learning English.
You are speaking English now.
Another good habit is recording your voice.
Use your phone.
Speak for 1 minute.
Listen again.
You hear mistakes.
You hear progress.
Progress builds confidence.
Now let us practice together.
Listen. I wake up at 7.
Listen again. I wake up at 7.
Now you say it.
Good job.
Simple sentences are powerful.
Do not wait for big words.
Small words are enough.
Now let's talk about daily practice.
You can practice anywhere.
Even alone.
One great method is narrating your day.
Talk about what you do.
Like a story.
Give an example.
I am making breakfast.
My breakfast is simple.
My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds real.
This practice is easy.
And free.
Another method is reading aloud.
Read easy books.
Read slowly.
Hear your voice.
This helps pronunciation.
And fluency.
Now let's talk about technology. Apps are helpful. They give feedback.
They help with sounds.
But they are a supplement.
Not a replacement.
Talking to people is still important.
Now let's talk about mimicking.
Mimicking means copying.
Copy native speakers.
Listen to podcasts.
Watch videos.
Repeat what you hear.
Match the rhythm.
Match the sound.
Let's try.
I'm happy to be here.
I'm happy to be here.
Good job. Again.
I'm happy to be here.
You are improving already.
Mimicking helps you sound natural.
It also helps you learn everyday language.
Now, let's talk about passive learning.
Passive learning is listening only,
Watching only.
reading only,
Active learning means using English.
speaking.
Writing.
Turn passive into active.
How do we do that?
After listening, repeat.
After reading, summarize.
One sentence is enough.
Example, please.
I watched a video. It was about food.
Very simple.
Very effective.
Now, let's talk about shadowing.
Speak with the audio.
At the same time,
Do not stop.
even if you make mistakes.
Mistakes mean learning.
Now, let's talk about conversations.
Starting a conversation is hard, but practice helps.
Ask about food.
What food do you like?
Ask about movies.
What movie do you like?
Ask about hobbies.
What do you do on weekends?
Great questions.
Open questions are better.
They help people talk more.
Now, the most important part, confidence.
Confidence changes everything.
Believe in yourself.
Set small goals.
Speak one sentence today.
Speak 2 sentences tomorrow.
Celebrate small wins.
You spoke today.
That's success.
You listened today.
Another success.
You are doing great.
Let's review today.
Speak every day.
Do not fear mistakes.
Stop translating.
Think simple.
Practice aloud.
Build confidence.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what time do you wake up?
And what is your quick breakfast?
My breakfast is bread and coffee.
My breakfast is a banana.
Thank you for listening.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you next time on Daily English Dialogue.